followed by Chris in third place with a 25 lap 503.6 pace, followed by Fred in fourth place.
Hello folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. I'm at Ottawa RC On-Road Racing. This is the late March race, March 24. We're going to get in TTGT with the TT02 McLaren Senna. Not really a whole lot of changes other than I'm trying to make sure that my transponder doesn't fly out, so I've added a little bit of a zip tie, and I'm running a more powerful battery, so I've got a red line in, and it has pepped it up a little bit on the end of the straightaway. I do notice that the red line battery does make it a little bit peppier. So also I'm currently still running unbelted, unsauced USGT tires. And there's a couple of spec change announcements this week for next season. For the 2024-2025 season, they're going to go to a pre-glued belted USGT tire in TTGT spec. So they also announced some other motor changes. They're going to go to a spec motor for VTA, 25.5 Motive VTA, but for USGT they're going to go to a belted only tire. So I will not be able to run these tires next year, but we've still got 4 races or so left of this season where I will be able to allow to run this tire. And yeah, so we're going to go out. I'm starting P2 in the A main. We're going to see if we can hold on to it. The person who's in third is putting a lot of pressure on me to these quals, and the guy who's in first place is 2 laps up on me. So we'll see if I can hold on to that podium spot to finish out this race. All right, here we go. This is going to be the A main of TTGT. Unsauced tires, the Senna, the TT02 Senna is going out.
Good luck, JK.
Good luck to you. It's A main time.
Up next, race number 4.
Race number 4.
Hey Chris, you want to race me down the straightaway? Yeah.
Guys, it's going to be 10 minutes before we can race, okay? Just 10 minutes.
Why?
Yeah. It's got a timing.
All right, marshals. I'm a little late on coverage down this way. All right, deep the way.
Sunday, March 24th, TTGT A main, starting in P2.
On the tone.
All right, I got away clean. That's good.
Sorry, Fred. Go. You got me back.
All right, the car in front of me has been typically up 2 laps on me in the quals. He passes me once through the race and then he finishes 2 laps ahead on the clock. We'll see if we can make that even better for this main. Know if I can keep those guys behind me. We'll see.
We got Jake up front. John is actually in second place. Chris, Fred, and Steven are right there.
After 1 minute 5 seconds, the top drivers are Jake in first place with a 30 lap 508.7 pace, followed by John K in second place with a 27 lap 501 flat pace, followed by Chris in third place with a 25 lap 503.6 pace, followed by Fred in fourth place with a 25 lap 508.
First pass the barrier and goes flying out of the track.
That was an awful spin out, but luckily there's been collisions in the back, holding those guys back. I'm coming up to lap them soon.
Chris, we're going to have a really battle while John's going to have to track down Jake. Reminder, the orange, yellow, and gray blue McLaren Senna is your second place car, just so you know.
After 2 minutes 10 seconds, the top drivers are Jake in first place with a 30 lap 507.2 pace, followed by John K in second place with a 28 lap 506.5 pace, followed by Chris in third place with a 26 lap 501.7 pace, followed by Crosser in fourth place with a 26 lap 503.7 pace, followed by Fred in fifth place with a 26 lap 507.6 pace.
Oh, Jake experienced
That was a big rollover by Jake.
second place car is about a half lap behind. And of course, Steve John's got a whole bunch of traffic to make it through to get to Jay.
So far, I've not been able to reel that traffic in. We're kind of staying at the same pace back here. And I guess ever so slowly I'm getting close to them, but it's going to be hard to pass.
The top drivers are taking first place with a 29-lap final.
There we go. That was 2 of the 3.
Followed by John Kay in second place with a
It looks like traffic's going to take care of itself for John.
Thank you.
by Chris in third place.
That was very nice.
Where you going?
That was clean.
And Tony
That was a clean way to get through traffic. That worked out in my favor for sure.
In fifth place with a 27-lap 5:05.6 pace.
A wrecker and runner.
On deck, we Alan, John, Robert, Tucker, and Tom for Vintage Trans Am first of 3. The seating.
One minute left.
Man, that little hop really cost me a lot of time. The pack is catching up to me again. I'm gonna try and get away from them.
45 seconds left.
Boy, that was a fast 5 minutes.
After 4 minutes 21 seconds, the top drivers are taking first place with a 29-lap 5:05 pace, followed by John Kay in second place with a 29-lap 5:09.
Oh, it's confused. The computer's very confused.
Followed by Chris in third place with a 27-lap 5:03.7 pace, followed by Fred in fourth place with a 27-lap 5:05 flat pace, followed by.
All right, the leader's coming up on me. He's going to want to pass me and lap me. Whoa, there, I'll let him have it here. That's the leader passing me. Jake is now a lap up on everybody.
Fred Dunn.
Man, last lap though, he only passed me on the last lap. That's better than we did in quals.
Jake Dunn.
All right.
John Kay Dunn.
All right. All right. I held on to that second. Thank you for everyone else for crashing into each other at the back. I was able to stay out. Good run. You only passed me on that last lap. That was pretty good. Good run, Jake. Good run.
A lot of traffic.
Yeah, a lot of traffic. You got held up in traffic for sure. Fred was really breathing down my neck in the quals, but traffic got him in the mains.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Too much competition.
Yeah. All right, guys, if you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. If you want to hear subscribe, you want to talk, leave a comment down below. As always, thanks for watching.